Hi everyone, welcome to Anderson Serangoon Junior College. I'm Mr. Heng, Principal of ASR JC. Congratulations to all our secondary school students for completing your secondary school journey. Well done, right? As you start your next chapter, let me share with you what ASR JC can offer to you. In ASR JC, we have a rich heritage of over 70 years. We continue the legacy of Anderson Junior College as well as Serangoon Junior College. In our college, we are proud to offer very strong academic as well as student development programs to grow all our students to become imaginative thinkers and caring leaders. More importantly, we want all our students to become strong leaders for the future who has a heart to care and they are willing to serve and they are able to lead well. In 2024, our science cutoff point is 10 and our arts cutoff point is 11. All our graduates continue to do very well and they proceed to top local as well as overseas universities. Many of them also receive prestigious scholarships. All in all, ASR is a great place where we open the doors for all our students to a promising future. Let me share with you a bit about college life in ASR. In ASR, we start school at 8:25. We do so that our students have white space in the morning to choose what they want to do before the start of the school day. If they choose to rest a bit more, sleep in a little, they can also do so. In ASR, our orientation for our JC1 is also unique. Besides the normal rah-rah and the subject talks, our ASR students also enjoy ASR Gifts. ASR Gifts is essentially an activity where in the third day of being in JC1, our students go out and serve the community. In semester 2, we also have a unique program called ASR Learn and Play. For ASR Learn and Play, our JC1 students as well as our JC2 students come together to enjoy enrichment modules. They could be doing archery, they could be doing paintball, or they can be simply doing graphic design. So in ASR, we have a rich array of activities to help enable our students to enjoy and learn and fully develop as well as create fond memories. Another program that many of our students enjoy is ASR Explore. Through ASR Explore, we send our students overseas for them to experience different cultures and make many international friends. Besides that, we also have many different kinds of exchanges. For example, we have visitors from Korea, Japan, as well as Thailand. When through the exchanges as well as through ASR Explore, we hope to develop our students to become leaders with global literacy. We also want our students to understand and know about themselves and what they want to do in the future. To do that, we organize a lot of different kinds of career and education talks, as well as symposia, as well as workshops, so that they can talk to professionals, they can understand what they want to do in the future, and at the same time, we also give them immersive experience through the industry attachment program. In ASR, we also offer distinctive programs like the Tamil language elective program, as well as our flagship STEAM education program. Through our STEAM education program, our students learn design thinking and have the opportunity to engage in interdisciplinary projects. Through those projects, they have the opportunity to apply what they've learned through the different disciplines, as well as applying critical thinking, adaptive thinking, and inventive thinking. So in ASR, we provide a lot of learning experiences, enriching the life of our students. More importantly, they do not just study hard, they also learn and connect with each other, making lots of lifelong memories together. Hey girls, shall I join you with a ball game?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Hi, here we are in our new sheltered indoor basketball court. Well, this is one of the many facilities that we have in ASR that make this place a dynamic and fun place to learn in. Hey guys! Now ASR, we have over 30 CCAs ranging from sports, performing arts and clubs and society. We also support students with special talents who want to take part in other kinds of energies, for example, wushu, golf or swimming. ASR students come from over 100 secondary schools. Every one of them bring with them unique strengths and talents. But once you're in ASR, we are all part of a big family. ASR is conveniently located between MRT station, Kovan MRT, as well as Hougang MRT. It is also well connected with many buses. So it is very easy to get to ASR JC. In ASR, we also have a team of professionals that will be our teaching staff, our administrative and operational staff looking after all our students. Our teaching staff They excel in their teaching practices and they take great care of all our students. Our administrative and operational staff, they look after the school well and they ensure everything runs smoothly, and that makes ASR a great place and a conducive place for us to learn and work. In summary, ASR is not just a college. ASR is a family. And we are a family that learn, grow and excel together. Are you excited and thinking about coming to ASR? We are also equally excited to have you join us in our family. Let's go ASR!